Learn Persian alphabet, part 8, letter Dal. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have another lesson of learning Persian alphabet, learning Persian alphabet pronunciation. So if you are an absolute beginner in learning Persian, make sure that you watch this video. Also, you subscribe to the channel. Also, write your opinions in comments below. Okay, let's start the lesson. The 7th Persian letter is named Dal. Dal, and it is pronounced D, just like D in English, or the beginning sound in the word door. This letter is very easy because the form of an initial, medial, and final is the same and is like this. Let's see some examples. Bad, dar, bandar, bad. You see? In all the positions, it has the same form. Please note that this letter, the letter Dal, is one of those 7 letters that the following letters do not attach to it. Let's show you in examples. Look at these words. Khande, geda, دوم دیروز. As you can see, the letters which I write them in blue color, these letters that are in blue color, which are followed by the letter Dal in these words, they didn't attach to it. Okay, it's time to show you a text and you have to find the form of the letter Dal in the text. Now, if you did the exercise, you can check your answers here. It's time to make some new words with the letters that we know so far. Alef, be, pe, te, se, jim, che, he, he, dal. The first letter that we can make is bad. Bad means wind. Bad امروز خیلی شدیده. باد امروز خیلی شدیده. And the next word that we can make is bad. Bad. The meaning is just like in English, means bad. For example, این کار خیلی بده. این کار خیلی بده. Now you know your homework, right? You have to write letter Dal and these 2 words 3 lines. And also, you can share them in Telegram group chat or at the DM in my Instagram account. Be patient, I will check them as soon as possible. So thank you, and I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.